Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 7 of human resource management. As usual, the direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What does external equity refers to? A. Internal roles. B. Market pay. C. Job titles. D. Staff duties. Answer for this question is B. Market pay. Question number 2. What is the main reason companies offer employee benefit? A. Follow rules. B. Attract workers. C. Add salaries. D. Avoid unions. The answer for this question is B. Attract workers. Question number 3. Which factor is an internal variable affecting pay systems? A. Labor laws. B. Job type. C. Interest rates. D. Tax policy. Answer for this question is B. Job type. Question number 4. Which job element influences compensation the most? A. Dress code. B. Job tasks. C. Office size. D. Commute time. Answer for this question is B. Job tasks. Question number 5. What is the productivity based on? What is productivity based on? A. Customer count. B. Output per input. C. Sales figures. D. Machine hours. The answer for this question is B. Output per input. Question number 6. What does government regulation not affect? A. Minimum wage. B. Leave pay. C. Staff roles. D. Incentives. The answer for this question is C. Staff roles. Question number 7. Which reflects a firm's management philosophy? A. HR records. B. Pay design. C. Team size. D. Hiring dates. The answer for this question is B. Pay design. Question number 8. Which is an example of financial assistance? A. Company car. B. Mortgage help. C. Gym access. D. Health check. The answer for this question is B. Mortgage help. Question number 9. What happens if pay is seen as unfair? A. Productivity rise. B. Loyalty declines. C. Hiring improves. D. Profits increase. The answer for this one is B. Loyalty decline. Question number 10. What do relocation packages usually cover? A. Training fees. B. Travel costs. C. Parking passes. D. Lounge benefits. The answer for this question is B. Travel costs. Question number 11. A company with many competitors may emphasize dash A. High salaries, B. Job enrichment, C. Luxury benefits, D. Pay security. D. Pay secrecy. The answer is B. Job enrichment. Question number 12. High demand and low supply in labor causes dash A. Labor pay, B. Stable pay, C. Higher pay, D. No change. The answer for this question is C. Higher pay. Question number 13. What is the key goal of compensation strategy? A. Reduce benefits, B. Match taxes, C. Support goals, D. Increase hours. The answer for this question is C. Support goals. Question number 14. Analyzing wage data from other firms show dash A. Pay secrecy, B. Internal risk, C. External equity, D. Base salary. The answer for this question is C. External equity. Question number 15. Which benefit is linked to personal needs? A. Sick pay, B. Nursery support, C. Bonus scheme, D. Health cover. The answer for this question is B. Nursery support. Question number 16. How should benefit policies be designed? A. Based on rank, B. For fairness, C. By region, D. From tradition. The answer for this question is B. For fairness. Question number 17. A mature firm likely offers dash A. Variable pay, B. No benefits, C. Competitive mix, D. Stock only. The answer for this question is C. Competitive mix. Question number 18. Harmonizing benefits means dash A. Cutting costs, B. Matching jobs, C. Adding perks, D. Avoiding change. The answer for this question is B. Matching jobs. Question number 19. Which is a personal security benefit? A. Company lunch, B. Sick leave, C. Fuel card, D. loan bonus. The answer for this question is B. Sick leave. Question number 20. Which action supports a caring employer image? Which action supports a caring employee image? A. Salary cuts, B. Strong benefits, C. Fewer hairs, D. Low hours. The answer for this question is B. Strong benefits. This is all about chapter 7 of Human Resource Management. Thank you viewers for attending this program.